What do you want?
Mama,
Visalis.
Uh-huh.
Is that why you're crying?
Uh-huh.
Because you want Visalis?
Uh-huh.
How come you want Visalis?
Because my mama it.
You love Visalis? But I already gave you some today.
But I don't want that one. I want that one.
Maybe she knows how to do the vice sign. Do you know how to do the vice sign?
You don't know how to do the Vice sign?
Show mommy.
You want to eat Visalis? Are you going to cry if I don't give it to you?
Uh-huh.
How come?
But my mom probably gives it to me.
You want that, huh?
Uh-huh.
Say, please, Mommy.
Please.
Okay. Show me the Vice sign. How many fingers are you? Thank you.